Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial where we will crochet a horse. It will look like this unicorn, but of course without a horn, with another mane and with some changes in legs. We need 2 colors of YarnArt Jeans, and the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the body. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round, we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain. In the third round, we make increase in the first loop and a single crochet in the second loop, and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and increase in the third loop. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 3 single crochets between them. We make increase, 1, 2, 3 single crochets, then increase, 1, 2, 3, and repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1 single crochet, another one in the second loop, and then we make increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and go on. Now we have 36 loops in the round, and we make the next 4 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 34, 35, 36, a slip stitch and a chain. We've made 10 rounds, and in the next round we start to make decreases. 1 single crochet, another one in the second loop, and then we make a decrease. Then 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decrease, and go on. In the next round, we make 30 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 29, 30, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 3 decreases with 8 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, decrease, and 4 single crochets. 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 27 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 3 decreases with 7 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, decrease, 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. Now we have 24 loops in the round, and we make the next 5 rounds without changes for 24 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 22, 23, 24. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. In the last round of the body we make 18 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, 18. A slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread, fill the body with fiber fill, and we'll continue in the next part.